Teresa Freed with Johnson County Government. It's our goal to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We also want to make sure you have the latest information on our efforts. For data on how COVID-19 is impacting the county, visit our dashboard on jocogov.org.
Dr. Sanmi Areola, the Director for the Johnson County Department of Health and Environment. In terms of long-term care facilities, senior living facilities, this is where our most vulnerable population are. That's where we've seen the highest number of deaths, even though the percentage of infection is not as high. But because when it gets into these facilities, because they are more vulnerable because of pre-existing conditions, some of the more adverse consequences tend to occur in this population. So from the start, our efforts have been focused on protecting this population to kind of form a wall around them. So we restricted non-medical visit for several months, and now we have required testing on a regular basis of their staff as well as their residents. The staff mostly because quite a few of them live outside the county, but they are interacting with the rest of the society, and it's turned out to be a big source of introduction of the virus into these facilities. Now, as we also understand the importance of interactions of the residents there interacting with their family members, and so that's very, very important. And we have been working with the facilities, and we are on the verge of implementing that. Again, it is very important for us to contain community transmission. We went from 14 cases a day in a matter of weeks to 116 cases a day. That's a lot of transmission, and we know that we have to protect this population. So as we work and think about opening schools and think about opening up visits to our long-term care facilities, one thing to keep in mind is it's very, very critical for us to contain the community transmission.
For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.